Starting seeds indoors is a great way to get a jump start on the growing season. Compared to direct sowing outdoors, it gives you much more control over variables like temperature, humidity, and soil moisture. Seedlings need a lot of light to grow strong and healthy, more than even the sunniest windowsill can provide. A high-quality, multi-tier light system can cost several $100s. But if you're just getting started, you can set up a simple, effective system for a lot less money. Here's how to do it. A good seed starting setup has 5 key components. A high-quality light fixture. We'll talk more about how to choose a fixture in a minute. Hangers that allow you to adjust the height of the lights up and down. Waterproof trays to catch drips. Enough outlets to plug your lights in, and a timer to turn lights on and off. A multi-tier system makes efficient use of space. A wire storage rack or baker's rack, easily found online or at a home center, is perfect for this job. Hanging your fixtures with S-hooks and chain from a hardware store will allow you to adjust the height of your lights as the seedlings grow. This system has 4 fixtures, so we use a power strip to plug everything in. A hardware store timer turns the lights on and off. Most seedlings need 14 to 16 hours of light per day. Back in the day, a 48-inch shop light with cool white tubes was the go-to solution for a DIY seed starting setup. But recent technological developments have made efficient, high-output fluorescent and LED lights more affordable. The newer high-output T5 fluorescent lamps use a fraction of the energy of the old T8 or T12 fixtures. LED tubes and strips have a higher upfront cost than fluorescents, but they use about half the energy and can last 5 times as long. And unlike the older fluorescents, the quality of light does not degrade over time. Buy from a reputable supplier, choose the best lights you can afford, and your seed starting game will get a whole lot better. For more seed starting tips and techniques, visit finegardening.com and consider becoming an all-access member today. Happy growing from the folks at Fine Gardening.